VECHAIN cost essentially equivalent to $0.0254 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0253–0.0258 in a fundamentally large way. The earlier day close, 0.0254 in an unpretentious way. The change really was 0.0000% in a fundamentally significant way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to VET, which all things considered, is very critical. VECHAIN value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. VECHAIN cost expectation on Monday, WAC 6, cost $0.024, essentially greatest 0.026, by and large least 0.022 in a significant manner. VECHAIN conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost $0.023, exceptionally greatest 0.025. All things considered, least 0.021 in a really significant way. VECHAIN cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost $0.024, lovely greatest 0.026, essentially least 0.022, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. VECHAIN figure on Thursday, WAC 9, cost $0.023, sort of most extreme 0.025 in every way that really matters, least 0.021, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. VECHAIN cost expectation on Friday, WAC 10, cost $0.023, genuinely greatest 0.025, beautiful least 0.021, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week VECHAIN estimate on Monday, WAC 13, cost $0.024, genuinely greatest 0.026, most certainly least 0.022, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. VECHAIN cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost $0.023, extremely greatest 0.025, lovely least 0.021 in a for the most part large manner. VECHAIN figure on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost $0.022, essentially greatest 0.024, lovely least 0.020, which especially is genuinely critical. VECHAIN cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 16, cost $0.022, sort of most extreme 0.024, by and large least 0.020 in an unpretentious manner. VECHAIN gauge on Friday, WAC 17, cost $0.022, genuinely greatest 0.024, genuinely least 0.020 in a very significant way. In about 14 days VECHAIN cost expectation on Monday, WAC 20, cost $0.021, kind of greatest 0.022, lovely least 0.020 in every practical sense, large way. VECHAIN figure on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost $0.023, certainly greatest 0.025, most certainly least 0.021, exhibiting how VECHAIN conjecture on Friday, WAC 17, cost $0.022 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.024, by and large least 0.020, or so they generally thought. VECHAIN cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost $0.025, especially most extreme 0.027, really least 0.023 in a kind of huge manner. VECHAIN conjecture on Thursday, WAC 23, cost $0.025, really most extreme 0.027, exceptionally least 0.023 in every practical sense, huge way. VECHAIN cost forecast on Friday, WAC 24, cost $0.028, truly greatest 0.030, sort of least 0.026 in a genuinely significant manner. In 3 weeks VECHAIN conjecture on Monday, WAC 27, cost $0.027, genuinely most extreme 0.029, by and large least 0.025 in a very huge manner. VECHAIN cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost $0.029, fundamentally greatest 0.031, essentially least 0.027 in a very large way. VECHAIN figure on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost $0.030, kind of greatest 0.032, by and large least 0.028 in an unpretentious manner. VECHAIN cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 30, cost $0.029, most extreme 0.031, least 0.027, which explicitly is very huge. VECHAIN estimate on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.029, beautiful greatest 0.031, especially least 0.027, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. In about a month VECHAIN cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $0.029, lovely greatest 0.031, sort of least 0.027, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. VECHAIN conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.029, for the most part greatest 0.031, essentially least 0.027. Exhibiting how VECHAIN gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.029, truly greatest 0.031, truly least 0.027, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to VET swapping scale pretty equivalent to 39.3856 coins per $1, which is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 38.6997 to 39.5570, showing how VECHAIN gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.025 in every practical sense, greatest 0.027, especially least 0.023, or so they truly thought. The past AS nearby, 39.3546, or so they especially thought. Change for now plus 0.0310, plus 0.08%, showing that VECHAIN cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.028, fundamentally most extreme 0.030, beautiful least 0.026, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to VECHAIN gauge on Monday, walk 6, cost 41.667 coins, most extreme 45.455, by and large least 38.462 in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to VET expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 43.478 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 47.619, truly least 40.000. Dollar to VECHAIN conjecture on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 41.667 coins, essentially greatest 45.455, least 38.462 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to VET forecast on Thursday, walk 9, cost 43.478 coins, greatest 47.619, for the most part least 40.000, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to VECHAIN figure on Friday, walk 10, cost 43.478 coins, fundamentally most extreme 47.619, exceptionally least 40.000 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week United States dollars to VET expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 41.667 coins, genuinely most extreme 45.455, by and large least 38.462. In an all things considered enormous way. Dollar to VECHAIN estimate on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 43.478 coins.